Oh, I think it was him.
Oh, we killed
No,
him.
They're killing shit.
no, they're
We
killing
killed a
Oh
someone.
no.
house.
Just fucking let this guy die.
Yeah.
Yeah, let this
Let
guy
him
die.
die.
Let
Let
this
him
guy
die.
die. Let this guy die. Let this guy die. Don't heal him. Don't heal him. Don't heal him. You look shallow. Look shallow. Be ready. Be ready. Let him kill the guy. Let him kill the guy. Let him kill the guy. Kill him. Kill him. You come back. Come back. Everyone come back.
Don't use ass. Kill.
This is funny. What the fuck?
Damn, bro, he must be cursing so hard right
Yo,
Now
now.
we
let
kill
him-
Let
him.
go back. Let go back. Let go back. Let go back.
Yo, there's another fort selling, bro.
Oh no. Oh
No,
no.
fuck.
Mount. Yo,
You can
another.
just stun PK. $1.5 million. Wow.
They're fighting them.
Get the
I
fight.
think yeah.
Is that flop PvP? That's
Yeah, they're fighting them. They're fighting them.
I mean, let them do it. Let them fight them.
The Dragon Blade.
They survived.
Can we turn red to kill them, my boys?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
we can.
Come to me, my boys. Come to me.
Come very fast now. Very fast
We
now.
can
I mean, these guys are cheaters. They're running away. These guys are cheaters.
They'll die.
They'll die.
Yeah. These guys are
They
cheaters.
lost already. They lost already.
Yeah. These guys are cheaters.
Which-
Like, they're not
which-
worth changing. They are not worth changing. Let them kill them. My guys stay mounted and come to me. Don't get caught in the grid clap. Okay, you know what, guys? Come here. They will get confused. Come back west. Everyone come back west. Walk west. Bait them. Look shallow east now. Okay, DPS stay west. Look shallow east. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow now. And defend. Good job. We killed a bunch. Walk in. Take your cooldowns and walk inside them. Didn't hold them. No. They're fucking not
You're
running
in the
away.
middle.
Everyone come back southwest. They're not running away, bro. They're trying to. Tell me cooldowns. Everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Kill this guy. Almost. Okay, go back. Didn't hold them. Kite back, my boys. Use night helmet if you see air compress. Okay, use night helmet if you see air compress. Tanks care shallow. Zikol inside us. Care Zikol inside us. Okay, Zikol inside us. Didn't keep walking back. Keep walking southwest. Go southwest.
They engage on me.
Okay, everyone look for me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Hey, good job. We kill. Everyone kite back now. Didn't come back.
Yeah.
So you see, if they engage on you guys, you call it out. I can come and help you. But we can engage on them. We can get the free kills too. Care shallow now. Zikol looking. Care shallow. Good job. Listen, we're gonna kite northwest here, okay? We're gonna take northwest. Everyone come back. Don't let them wrap around. The solo bomb is looking. You heal me. Heal front. Come back. Kite back. It's okay. Kite back. I know
They're
time
trying to
people,
run.
I'm not gonna counter. Look inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Kill Zikol.
Smoke the west.
Come, go through this bridge. Go through this bridge. Keep going through this bridge. Don't drop your randomly. What the fuck, real breaker? Go through this bridge.
It will be up.
It won't be because I was going to engage now. Now go west. Heal shallow. Come west, everyone. Come west. Southwest. Hold southwest. Everyone come.
They engage.
I know. We need to kill this engage. Tank takes 3.
3 seconds, yeah.
Wait. 2. Anyone on this tank inside. Tanks inside. Kill this tanks inside. What the fuck, man? Yo, heal Sam.
He's inside us, careful, he's inside us.
Heal Sam. Everyone kite northwest. Everyone come northwest. I saw another blob southwest side. Everyone come northwest. Everyone go northwest here. I saw another blob on the southwest side. Okay, I saw small blob on the southwest from Thatchford. So might be random blob. Okay, go northwest. Keep going northwest here. Play tight. Play together. Everyone look shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Kill this tank. Issues. And now kite back. Get your cities fast. So if they use demon, we can kill them on the next engage. Pavi, I need to fake on the next engage. Okay? Actually, I will fake. Pavi, you gonna clump. Go through this bridge. Go through this bridge. Go through this bridge. Go through this bridge.
Okay, he's killing
Bobby,
tanks
fake
now.
for me. Bobby, fake for me. Bobby, fake for me.
They engage, they
No,
engage.
solo bomb. Giga bot. Giga. Solo bomb mid side. Kite through this. Kite through this. Now. He's in this. Kite through this.
Care on the choke.
Yeah. Spread now. I think he stopped. Get your cooldowns. Bro, I saw him going like face kill shoes. I was like, what? He's doing it again.
You have one face kill.
Okay, care shallow. He'll shallow. This way.
Give Garden on the choke.
Everyone look shallow. Didn't look shallow. We're gonna shallow and then we're gonna hit again. Look shallow on this tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow on the tank now. And full defensive. Kite mate, didn't hold them. Okay, they're scared. They're not pushing. Get your cooldowns, my boys. Get your
Z-Call
cooldowns.
inside.
Get your cooldowns. Tell me cooldowns first. Everyone got your cooldowns?
How much? Okay.
Okay, look shallow. 5,
All ammo you can stun
4,
east.
3, 2, 1. Shallow on me now. Kill this tank. Good job. Now kite back now. Don't let them push the tanks. Come back.
They're kiting back.
Okay. Care. They're looking. They're engaging. Baby. Okay, everyone walk in. Tell me cooldowns, everyone. Parma, tell me cooldowns.
This fucking
8 seconds.
Okay, maybe that was a fake actually. Only 2 DPS.
No.
Everyone come back.
Behind us. Bird in the back.
Oh my god.
Bro, we got killed.
Alright, GG. Yeah, bro. That these motherfuckers I saw in the other side.
what the fuck?
Okay.
That was long.
Yeah. I mean, we were winning the fight. Fuck this.
Yeah. We almost won.
I mean, GG. Just call it GG. These motherfuckers. Fuck, bro. This fucking
Taylor
no life
Swift
retards.
guild.
Literally no life retards, man.
They're the only two.
We are not even worth killing, bro. We are T67. What you gonna get from them? GG, good job, my boys. Good job. Fucking retards ruined our company. Some random guilds that are not even like, yeah, just random shitters.
GG's, guys.
GG, guys. Good job.
Go for volume at night, okay?
We go.